What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Dimonriva, and today we're going to be making a Ward 8. Now, Ward 8 is one of those kind of rare cocktails that got its start in Boston, Massachusetts in 1889. It was the product of a bar called the Loch-Ober, which is in the back of the Gilded Age Restaurant. And I grew up in Boston, and I didn't know that at some point, or maybe Boston is still broken up into wards, I guess, maybe like boroughs or something. And this one was created in honor of a politician who was from the 8th Ward, who was running for the state's seat in the legislature. That's what I got for you on it. I will have a deeper dive in the show notes, so go look it there. But let's get into the drink now. It's a pretty simple one. What we're going to do is take grenadine and put half an ounce. Half an ounce of orange juice. Half an ounce of lemon juice. A full 2 ounces of bourbon. I will also say that this drink over the years has come in many forms, and this is just my preferred recipe for this drink. But sometimes it's served up, sometimes it's served on the rocks. I like it served this way, so I am going to serve it on the rocks. But I guess this, there are a few cocktails out there that are up for interpretation, and this is one of them. And we're going to add our ice to our big tin. And we're going to shake it. Nice, robust shake for you guys. God, my hair is really getting in my eyes today. Ooh, but we got nice aeration on this guy today. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna double strain into our glass. I am not going to put a garnish. You can, I guess, put an orange garnish. I think that this drink goes better garnishless. There you have it, my friends, a Ward 8. Let's taste it. I'm gonna go again. I mean, it's bourbon based, and the bourbon's right up front. You get a little bit of the orange. It's not unlike a Gold Rush, actually, to tell you the honest to God truth. So a Gold Rush being lemon, honey, and bourbon. We've already done an episode. If you want to see that episode, click the info link above, and you can go straight to it. But you've got the bourbon as the thing, the grenadine. It's like lightly sweet. Also, orange is going to provide quite a bit of sugar, so an orange. But then you got the nice tartness on the back end. It's a nice, wonderful little drink, and I like it a lot. So you have it, my friends, the Ward 8. Oh, Marius had to tell me, so I'm really bad at this, I guess, and I forgot again, but Marius was like, hey, don't forget to tell them about subscribing. So, guys, if you like this channel and you want to see more of these videos, please hit the subscribe button. I've been very bad about saying this stuff, obviously, as I forgot it in this video. But I would really appreciate it if you guys hit subscribe, because the more subscribers we have, the easier it is for us to bring you this content. So don't forget to hit subscribe. Also, we have a Teespring account, and we're making some pretty great t-shirts. Sometimes I wear them, on occasion I wear them. So definitely check out our t-shirts. Our t-shirts? Our t-shirts? Definitely check out our t-shirts. Sometimes the rate at which I talk definitely betrays me, for sure. So maybe I should talk a little bit slower and not so fast, and then I won't say things like t-shirts. Anyway, definitely check out our t-shirts on Teespring. I guess it would be like teespring.com/theeducatedbarfly, or go to Teespring and then just search The Educated Barfly. We have some awesome t-shirts, so definitely check them out. And the other thing I want to say is check out our apron sponsor, Staggerly Goods. I am wearing this I got this pre-release of these awesome aprons. These guys haven't been released yet. They're going to be released soon. Alfred Ramos, who runs that company, it's a small company. They make amazing, amazing aprons. So if you run a bar or you work in a bar and you can wear aprons or in the market for aprons, definitely check them out at staggerlygoods.com. All right, guys, see you next time. And until then, I'll be sipping my Ward 8.